Mr. Welch, in this matter, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court duty or failure to pay child support and or related expenses. Upon a first conviction, you could be ordered to serve up to 45 days in jail. If it's a second or subsequent offense, up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand the charges?
Yes, sir.
Court advised you have a right to an attorney. Court would appoint an attorney to represent you should you desire an attorney. It's my understanding you wish to proceed without an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily, sir?
Freely.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, used any undue influence, pressure, or promises to get you to appear without an attorney?
No, sir.
Court will find that Mr. Welch does freely and voluntarily waive his right to an attorney. Mr. Welch, I'll have you and Ms. Barrington raise your right hand, be sworn in, then we'll take some testimony.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you are about to give shall be the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Barrington, you can proceed.
Thank you. We are before the court for a bench warrant hearing in the matter of Andrea Armstrong versus Terrence Welch of docket 1993-2690-DS after the respondent, Mr. Welch, failed to appear for an adjourned bench warrant hearing on May 22nd, 2024 before this court. This is an arrears only case. The youngest minor child emancipated in May of 2015. Mr. Welch is ordered to pay a total of $130.50. That is $127 per month towards his remaining arrears and $3.50 for service and processing fees. The last voluntary payment received on this case was $177 on December 27th, 2023 through income withholding. This is his 9th show cause and 5th bench warrant. He has had 7 contempt findings. I measured his compliance for the past year at $130.50, including a $200 lump sum bench warrant resolution payment. He should have paid $1,766. He paid $731, leaving a shortfall of $1,035. His total remaining arrears as of today are $5,025.61. He is eligible for food assistance and Medicaid. He was arrested and booked into the Calhoun County Jail for this matter on July 6th, 2024, resulting in credit for 11 days served. His last contempt finding was on November 3rd, 2015. He received a 45-day suspended jail sentence. The first hearing for this show cause was held on May 9th, 2023 before referee Snyder. Mr. Welch reported at that time that he had been in a car accident in August of 2022 and had filed a lawsuit associated with that. The referee ordered him to participate in LEAP and adjourned the matter for 90 days. Mr. Welch failed to participate in LEAP and failed to appear for the adjourned show cause hearing on August 8th, 2023, and a bench warrant was issued. In February of 2024, a friend of the court was notified that Mr. Welch had received a significant settlement from his lawsuit. At that time, I mailed Mr. Welch a letter outlining his remaining arrears balance and a letter encouraging him to resolve his bench warrant. He responded to that bench warrant letter and made a $200 lump sum payment to resolve that bench warrant, and a hearing was set for May 1st, 2024. On May 1st, Mr. Welch appeared late for his bench warrant hearing, and because I did not have time to speak to him before court, I adjourned the matter to May 22nd, 2024 to allow him the opportunity to appear. When I spoke to him on May 1st, he reported that he did in fact receive that settlement. And when I inquired why he had failed to make any payments or pay his remaining balance from those available resources, he indicated that he used the money to pay other bills for himself and his girlfriend, and that the money was gone and he was now looking for a job. At that time, I offered him another referral to the LEAP program, now GEMS, and he declined, stating that he would gain employment on his own. He failed to appear at the May 22nd, 2024 adjourned bench warrant hearing, and this bench warrant was issued. He did not gain employment in that time. Friend of the court would request that he contact the friend of the court within 14 days of his release from incarceration and begin paying as ordered upon his release.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Welch, do you dispute or contest any of the statements made by Ms. Barrington?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have any questions for Ms. Barrington?
Yes. I was looking for employment. When I did have the bench warrant on me.
Okay, that's not a question, sir. That's a statement.
Okay, well, no, I don't, sir.
Okay. What would you like to tell me, sir?
Well, I would like to apologize for the no causes, no show with the lead programs. I was trying to get in touch with them guys, and I guess we had a discommunication, and the jobs before I got locked up just a minute ago here with this warrant, I had interviews, but I was kind of scared because they was going to throw the red flag on me if they would have seen the bench warrants on me. So I never did go back to the review. So I was out there trying to get a job. But I was so scared they was going to give me the red flag for this bench warrant. So that's why I didn't pursue it. But I'm kind of glad that I got locked up because now I don't have to worry about that anymore, that red flag coming up anymore.
Okay. Well, tell me, you received a settlement sometime in I think earlier this year, and you didn't use any of that to pay down your arrearage. How much settlement did you receive?
It was 98,000. I was with that being said, with that part, I was giving my children money, my grandchildren's money. And no, I know I didn't give any money out to the courts. I was giving it to my children's. I was giving it to my grandchildren's, and that's why I didn't make any payments on that end of that, because I was already giving my children money, my grandchildren money, and the mother of my children money.
Anything else that you'd like me to be aware of?
I would like to just get another chance there to, get out here and try to find a job so I can take care of these payments.
Okay, well, your history in this matter is somewhat dubious, sir, and it's clear, that you're not getting employment, you're not participating. You didn't participate in the LEAP program previously. You declined to participate in the new GEMS program in this particular matter. That you received a settlement, as you stated, of $98,000, and you paid nothing with regard to what was owed in this particular matter. So I'm not confident that you have any intent, notwithstanding what you profess to be the case. In this case, anything else you'd like to tell me, sir?
No, sir.
Well, clearly the respondent did have substantial sum of money, the $98,000 from his settlement earlier this year, notwithstanding the fact that his arrearage in this matter is just over $5,000. He could have easily have paid off the arrearage. He failed to do so. And I think based upon the history, his 7 prior contempt findings, that he has really not much interest in taking care of these matters, notwithstanding when he has substantial money to do so. The court will therefore find that he's not paid out of available resources. He's failed or refused to comply, and he is in contempt of court. Anything before sentencing, sir?
No, sir.
Well, the court notes previously, back in, I think in November of 2023, he had a 45-day suspended sentence in this particular case. Notwithstanding the receipt of a suspended sentence, you've continued to not pay, etc. So again, obviously enforcing a sentence and suspending it has not produced the desired result of accomplishing any compliance in this matter. I could sentence you up to 90 days in jail. I'm not going to do that, but the court does believe that some time is warranted. This time, what I'm going to do is I am going to sentence you to 45 days in jail with credit for 11 days served. I'm going to put in place a purge amount of $1,500. If you're able to pay that, you'd be able to be released. Otherwise, you'll spend the time in jail. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, I don't.
Okay, you're free to go. Have a good day. Ms.
You too.
Barrington,
Thank you.
thank you, and you're free to go as well.
Thanks, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Yes.
Right, thank you. We will close the record here.